Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to start workout on your Apple Watch Ultra 2. Let's get started. So firstly we just need to open the list of applications by pressing the digital crown, and here we need to search for this workout section. After that you can rotate your crown to see all of the available options here. We have many options for the workout, and if we scroll till the end you'll be able to create your own workout by pressing the Add Workout button. But for now let's choose something from the list, for example this Pilates one. You can tap on the three dots and set a goal for your training, or you can just tap it itself and the training will be started after 3 seconds timer. And here it is. You can see your calories here, you can track time, and also you can swipe left and play some music. And also if you swipe right you'll see some options. For example, we can pause this training like I did right now, or we can resume it right now. And also we can here click this check in, and to add this training you just need to tap this end button, and that's it. Let's tap it again, wait a 3 seconds. And now let's exit this training. So here on your lock screen you would be able to see your workout section. You can pause it right now and also delete it immediately. Great. And after this, all of your results you would be able to check in the health application on your phone. And also you can enable to start workouts by pressing your action button, which is located on the left side of your watch. Let me show you. Let's just unlock the watch once more. And here we need to go to the settings. After that, let's just go back to the main settings and here search for the action button section. Here it is. And now let's set an action to open workouts. And now we just need to press this button and the workout will be started immediately. You just need to click this resume option. Now let's press it again here, like that, and we can change some workout. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.